Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. I picked up a Parkside pressure washer this week on special at Lidl's for £40, about $50 US, and it's time to give it a try on the boat. So let's see how she works. Overall, the pressure washer is doing a good job. It's quite potent, it's not too noisy, and honestly, for £40, $50, really no better way to clean a boat, get grime off instead of needing 10 minutes to scrub a section, 10 seconds with a pressure washer and it's all done. I can really recommend this one. Definitely a good buy, and a pressure washer is indispensable on a boat without a doubt. Thanks very much for watching. Please like, please subscribe, and see you soon. Bye for now.